The Young Women's Mañano from the Etukeni Circuit held a drug awareness campaign in Mount Aleph to curb drug use and homelessness. The stakeholders that were in attendance was the Police, Correctional Service Department and the Department of Health, as well as a community policing forum to hear testimonies from the former drug addicts. The president of the Etukeni Circuit, Reverend Kapiana, says they want this campaign to continue.
Apha eDutyeni eMount Aleph eMakhlisibeni namhlanje besine program etsala umkhelo wethu ne-challenge tower about the homeless people or community. Sibenzela i-soup kitchen, sincokola ne-drugs collaborator nezinye organizations ne-departments zalapha. Besingayithandi le nto uba ibe yi-event because to be homeless asiyo nto yanamhlanje kodwa into yanamhlanje nangomso. Le program ngaske kube kanti namhlanje ibe iyatyalwa kutyalwa into ezawuhluma ikhule ekugqibeleni sibe ne-halfway houses apha eMount Aleph ezizawujonga nomcimbi we-drugs ne-rehabilitation centers, and we are willing to open up our churches namaholo wethu ne-mission houses ezingasetyenziswayo zethu sihouse abo bantu. We are willing ukuqinisekisa into yoba elikhulu libheka phambili. Inkosi kakhulu.
Meanwhile, Reverend Pitoi says they want to integrate the homeless children and former drug users in the church to further encourage them to stop of the drug use.
Okokuqala masibulele nje le program that is so wonderful ekhokhelwa libandla laseDutyeni Circuit kumabandla lamaMethodi ukuba ithathe inkonzo isesitratweni ngoba ngokwathi John Wesley vele uthi the world is my parish. Benze loo nto namhlanje siyabulela kakhulu besuke inkonzo yoku-integrate abantu aba-homeless kunye ne-community nenkonzo. Sibonge kakhulu ukuba sibe lapha, so sibanqwenela ukuthi aba bantwana nabo uThixo angaske asebenzise thina njengenkonzo nezi-stakeholders zonke ezikhoyo apha ukuphucula impilo zabo ukuze nabo babuyele ebuntwini.
A former drug user, Mr. Mtutuzi Mtsi, says they want this campaign to continue and not give up on the drug addicts as these are human beings.
Igama lami uMtutuzi Mtsi, ngumhlalo la eMount Aleph. Nami ndi ex-drug user. Incingo into eyenzekayo namhlanje siyabulela nge-recognition asiphiwayo because it's very difficult being a drug addict uhlala kwi-community ekuku-name brendayo njengamagama afana noBaphara ukuthi siba abantu bangcolile bengazi istory sa behind ukuthi bokutheni umuntu azaphenduka iphara. Abanye abantwana benje kwezi situation abarechiwe bekhula berage, abanye abantwana bakhule bebona abazali babo bebulalwa, that's why be end up use substances okanye drugs, then yalida sebesemgodini bangawu-understand iyo. Siyabulela ukuthi namhlanje kuze abantu bazo recognize abantu madoda singazibulali because some of us bese sicinga nokuzibulala because sesihlaze abazali bethu to a point whereby awazi bonguthini anymore. Webona utshontshile kokwenu ulahlela ujikelwe izandla, kodwa siyethu ukuthi sekhona abanye abantu basazirecognize kanje beze bazofuna uba nathi basi-understand. Siyathemba nathi sizokwazi ukuzigcina emphefumulweni sikwazi ukuthi singazibulali at the end of the day because kunabantu abasitake note. Abanye abantu ezibhedle bazoyichola ngokudla buzochola goes a long way because bahambe becela ama-2 abantu bacimba ukuthi hayi ezi-2 sisekenzelwe ukuchaya kanti abazi umntwana uvuka ekuseni akakakhi. So siyabulela into ezifana nezipho abadala sithi kabulela maybe bese izinto za-regularly ingapheli at once because sometimes abantu bayafika once bengabasinikeza ama-high hopes uzixela ukuthi hayi drugs nyani khona ukunceda into izoyichola zukuzuku nowhere to be found. Nansi into eziyisiphoxa yabo namhlanje siyothathwa amagama wethu ukuthi hayi siyafuna intoni ii-places abazosilocate kuzo siye ukuchaya i-drugs zukuzuku masewuthi uyalandelela ube ngathi into was one day ndingacela maybe nento ezinjalo ziyekwe because after namhlanje buzoba khona umuntu oyi-1 ozoba-touched ngayo yonke le nto athi uyafuna ukuyeka utshaya zukuzuku athi bayilandelela gcina sekuyaphoxwa lo muntu hayi ucima uzoswerehab imali evelaphi into ezinjalo okanye hayibo ucima uzange uhluthe na into ezinjalo bhuti mdala nyani beningathanda ulandelelo nengcukaco maybe abasingathatha khona silandelele kakhulu because recently apha sokhona into yama-body parts edlalayo osizi bethu bayantshontshwa ukuthengisa for i-body parts. Singathanda futhi nathi abasizi bethu babhabhe phansi kwaziyo okay abantu abakwi-addiction abahlala apha bangaphi nabantu bangaphi, so nabantu abamisishayo kakhulu kwezinto ze-body parts bhuti omdala yabona nansi into enyanyisayo. Singacela nathi maybe sikhawuntwe ne-mobile clinic. Abantu baxa besiya eclinic since bengcolile abanye benuka bengenazo irolon bayagxothwa kwezi kliniki ukuthi hayi ufuna ntoni elibhara kube nzima umuntu awuthini ayothenda isilonda sakhe athende le ngxaki akuyo. Singacela futhi nazo zinto ukuthi abantu maybe bazame ukuza ukuthi bazosinceda yabona kwezo zilonda sinazo bangasigxilalisi bangasijaji yabona bulo mdala maybe uyabona siyagxothwa kwezi kliniki ukuthi hayi uyanuka umuntu okanye akahlambanga angakwazi ukathendiwa ekliniki okanye.
Siyanithanda nenje ya. Amen.